The 2025 Suzuki Z450R is here, and it's roaring louder than ever before. Built to dominate motocross tracks and deliver a racing experience that's both responsive and raw, the latest Z450R is Suzuki's flagship off-road machine that refuses to play second to anyone. With a legacy that's been forged in AMA championships and honed through decades of development, this bike isn't just a tool for competition, it's a declaration of intent. Suzuki knows its core audience: riders who want consistent, proven performance mixed with technological refinement. And that's exactly what they've delivered with the 2025 model year. Let's start with what makes this bike special at first glance. The Z450R keeps its aggressive, race-bred styling with sharp bodywork, a bold yellow and blue graphic scheme, and purposeful ergonomics that speak to its pure motocross DNA. The sleek radiator shrouds and narrow chassis design aren't just for looks. They contribute to better rider mobility and enhanced airflow, ensuring the engine stays cool under pressure. The overall stance of the Z450R is low, mean, and balanced, making it easy to throw around corners or control during scrubs and jumps. It's clear from every angle that this bike was made to be ridden hard. Underneath that aggressive look is an aluminum twin spar frame that remains one of the lightest and most rigid in its class. Suzuki engineers have fine-tuned the frame balance to maintain an ideal blend of strength and flex, improving overall stability without sacrificing the nimbleness that racers love. The frame is matched with a swingarm design that enhances rear-wheel traction during high-speed acceleration and brutal landings. Combined with updated suspension settings for 2025, this chassis setup allows riders to push the limits with more confidence, knowing the bike will respond predictably through whoops, ruts, and deep berms. Powering the Z450R is a liquid-cooled, 449cc, 4-stroke, DOHC single-cylinder engine that continues to deliver class-leading throttle response and usable power across the rev range. Suzuki hasn't reinvented the wheel here, but they didn't need to. What they've done instead is refine the ECU mapping and ignition timing to squeeze out even better mid-range torque and improved traction under load. Whether you're launching off the gate or blasting out of tight corners, the engine's delivery feels precise and strong. The power doesn't overwhelm, it inspires control, which is critical for maintaining stamina and speed during a full moto. The Z450R is also equipped with Suzuki's Holeshot Assist Control (SHAC) system, a tech feature that gives riders a strategic edge during race starts. SHAC offers selectable modes depending on track conditions and rider preference, adjusting ignition timing to optimize traction and minimize wheel spin during those crucial first few seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency, and this system helps riders get off the line with authority every single time. For 2025, the responsiveness of the SHAC has been subtly improved to work more intuitively with the ECU's new programming. Braking and handling are just as important as engine performance, and Suzuki knows it. The Z450R carries a front brake setup that includes a large 270mm wave rotor and dual piston caliper, delivering sharp bite and consistent modulation. In the rear, a 240mm rotor manages stopping duties with strong, progressive feel. The suspension system remains built around a Showa coil spring front fork and a Showa balance-free rear cushion (BFRC) shock. For this model year, Suzuki has fine-tuned damping characteristics to better absorb harsh landings and provide more consistent tracking over rough terrain. The balance between plush comfort and firm support is one of the reasons this bike continues to be a favorite among privateers and pros alike. Suzuki has also updated the ergonomics with more intuitive grip points and revised seat foam density. The handlebar layout is adjustable, and the bike includes rental fat bars that reduce vibration and fatigue. The rider triangle has been slightly modified for 2025, providing a more neutral stance that benefits both aggressive sprinting and longer rides. Riders of all sizes will appreciate how natural it feels to move around on the bike, whether they're standing through rhythm sections or sitting for a tight corner. On the electronic side, Suzuki's traction management system has been refined as well. It constantly monitors throttle input, gear position, and RPM to modulate ignition timing, helping to maintain optimal rear-wheel grip. It's a subtle system, designed not to interfere with the rider's natural input but to provide a smoother ride over changing surface conditions. When traction is at a premium, like in deep sand or slick clay, the system helps keep power delivery usable and reduces wheel spin. It's not overbearing, it's just enough to make a difference when it counts. One standout feature that continues into 2025 is the Suzuki MX Tuner 2.0 system. With this plug-in device and your smartphone, you can adjust fuel injection and ignition settings on the fly. This means riders can custom tune their bikes for track conditions without the need for a laptop or deep technical knowledge. You want more top end? You got it. Need smoother throttle response for a muddy race day? Easy. This level of adjustability puts power back in the rider's hands, bridging the gap between factory-level tuning and garage-built simplicity. Weight remains competitive, with the Z450R tipping the scales at just under 247 pounds wet. It may not be the lightest in its class, but Suzuki has optimized weight distribution so effectively that it still feels light and flickable. The centralization of mass ensures that changes in direction are quick and confidence-inspiring, and the bike stays planted during both acceleration and braking. The smooth transition between body movements and machine response is where the Z450R shines. Tires for 2025 are Dunlop's GMAX MX33s, which continue to be a trusted choice among motocross riders. These tires provide excellent grip across a variety of conditions, and their performance is well matched to the Z450R's suspension and power delivery. Whether you're riding a loamy track or a hard-packed circuit, these tires inspire trust and stability through all kinds of terrain transitions. So, who is the 2025 Suzuki Z450R for? It's for riders who value reliability, balanced performance, and a no-nonsense approach to racing. This bike doesn't rely on flashy gimmicks or over-the-top marketing. It's built for those who want to ride hard, lap after lap, without second-guessing their machine. Whether you're a seasoned racer chasing trophies or a weekend warrior looking to shave seconds off your lap time, the Z450R delivers the kind of performance and refinement that wins respect. While some of its competitors have gone all in on high-end electronics and rider aids, Suzuki has taken a more measured path. They've improved what works, refined what matters, and kept the Z450R grounded in the fundamentals of great motocross engineering. It's a bike that asks you to bring your best to the track, and rewards you when you do. The 2025 model is proof that Suzuki still knows exactly what a motocross rider wants: precision, durability, and that unmistakable Z soul.